And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Alan Shoemaker.
So the time changes tonight in case you're bored and looking for something to do tonight. And if you have an old dumb clock, or I guess it's not a dumb clock, it's a less advanced clock where you have to actually go in and set the time for it. You take it at 2 a.m., you just magically spin it forward to 3 a.m. and there you go. There you go. All good. Took it about 5 seconds. But that's what happens tonight during the 2 o'clock hour. You set the clocks ahead 1 hour. So at 2 a.m., it becomes 3 a.m. out there, and you lose an hour of your weekend, but it does affect the things the next couple of days. Of course, if you have a smartphone or another smart device, right, it changes automatically right as soon as it hits 2 a.m. So no problems there. Now, a couple things you notice, though, of course, you may want to still check your smoke detectors. Good to check those batteries if they're on a battery system. You lose an hour of sleep tonight, but sun sets 1 hour later tomorrow, so the sun sets at 7:37 in the evening. Something else you may notice is that Monday morning, if you have kids going to school or if you're going to work, the sunrise will be an hour later. So the sunrise isn't until 7:48 in the morning on Monday, which is still going to be kind of dark out there if you're up early in the morning. Even if you're up maybe around 7:15, 7:30, it could be pretty dark. So kind of watch out for those changes on Monday. I know we get through them every year. It's a slow weather day. Breezy weather on Sunday, though, is the biggest change for tomorrow. We may be in and out of some clouds, kind of like we were today, but a little warmer tomorrow, I think, and then more clouds may thicken on Monday. Very low rain chance Monday and Tuesday. We're talking maybe a sprinkle or a tiny, tiny rain shower. So it still looks probably dry nearly everywhere. So if you're finishing up Borderfest tomorrow, final day of the event in Hidalgo, temperatures in the 70s at noon, near 79 or 80, so by 4 p.m. and in the 70s in the evening. But a little breezy, should be dry tomorrow, and still some music going on if you're out there tomorrow afternoon and evening. Across the area today, there were a couple sprinkles of light rain showers, mainly north of the valley, but a couple just kind of clipped the northern edge of Starr and Hidalgo County, right near the Brooks and Jim Hall County lines, but very little rain out of them. And now we're into partly cloudy skies. You go out and see the moon out there tonight, but I think the next wave of clouds coming in from the west will move in late tonight. So it may be a little cloudier when you wake up tomorrow. And then temperatures tomorrow reaching a high close to 80 or so, plus or minus a little bit. The winds from the southeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour could gust up to about 30 miles per hour, especially from about noon to about 5 or 6 p.m. Future track again tonight shows partly cloudy skies, but notice we do thicken up more and more clouds as we get towards sunrise. So it should be a little cloudier during the day tomorrow. But with that, even with the clouds, I think we'll still be a couple degrees warmer in some areas than today. Winds may gust about 30 miles per hour and mainly dry weather tomorrow. And that trend of warmer and still somewhat cloudier weather may continue into Monday. So the First Warn 5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast, 82 on Monday and 83 on Tuesday. Very limited chance of a shower. You might see a sprinkle, 10% or less chance for rain, mainly centered around Monday night. But as I say, don't forecast rain in a drought, because we're in a situation where it's probably not going to happen. But after that, we keep getting warmer. Highs well into the 80s Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Even Saturday, a little more humidity in the air, but still mainly dry weather.